Today we are talking about the businessman versus job. So I am a favor of businessman because businessmen have many opportunity to do some work in their life. So in the job they that person he has a boss, boss. He has a boss and he gives order, but we are taking work only the another person give the order. So it is not good for every person that another person giving the order, then I am doing this. So the businessman, they feel the self independent. He have many opportunity and he thinking every time to earn money more and more, and he feel that at night also that he thinking and more money in the night. They transfer the many containers, and the businessmen have the many cars, and then to live the very luxurious life. So what you want to say, what is your opinion the according to the job?
In my opinion, a businessman is independent, but he has many stress and pressure in his mind, and he always fight with their health also, because due to stress and health issues, they have faced many problems, and also he has not give time to his family, and which is this thing is very important to give time for his family. And in job, you have firstly you have to a job security and a good timetable of everything, that you are बाहर निकल मतलब job के लिए you go out for job and come time on job. So a job person have a good timetable also, and they have meet new people every day, and they have learn from them, and they have also increased his तो increase करता
He increases his
knowledge. He always increases his knowledge, and you also see that a businessman also have financial risk, and if he start up a business, so firstly he want much money for starting business. So if he fall down, so he has lots of problem in his life, and he has uh, very difficult to overcome from his problems.
According to me, that businessman not take any kind of tension, and he is a free mind and convert into the smart mind, and he think he works at the time, and he has a suitable timetable, and he not talk any useless talk and another person, and this kind of things had happened in their jobs, and they like the they have a limit, and but in a business they have unlimited income to earn and more money. This is not a limit. It is depend on us. So it is also depend on our hand, then where you located our business, and where you located our business in the market. The market is going up day by day or not. It is just depend on us. And the businessmen are very comfortable, and they have many opportunity and financial reward. The financial reward like that, it is depend on us. The business is going up day or not. So if you start business at you are beginner, like a beginner, you start business, you have to start like a shops, and even a and seeing a good market, that my business is going up or not. So you have to see first that the business is going up or not. You not see many of the people, they not see the marketing. The market is very main point in for the business.
Every business have a financial risk when either he is small or big. And in job, you see that a job person have always retirement plans, and always he have life insurance and health insurance. He see many things for his family. He sees future of his family also and give time to his family. A job person get a holiday on Saturday, almost Saturday or Sunday. He always give his time to his family. And जब घुमाने ले जाते हैं,
When he takes the,
नहीं घुमाने ले जाते हैं जब मन करता है,
he goes to trip anytime.
he goes to trip anytime. But I have not seen that a businessman easily take student for trip. And you see that you have say that he have no tension, but those have businessman, he has also a stress on his mind. He has stressful mind always. And he always think about his work, that how I will increase my work, or either मतलब वो सर वो मतलब वो ना हो जाए मतलब
Okay, yes.
spoil that my business is not spoil. And I think job is better than business.
The business person have a much time for their family members. They give the time every जब निकालना होता है जब देते हैं.
He manages time.
He manage